Sorry, little bit. There was a small glitch, so I was not able to connect. Uh, right now. I'm on. Okay. The thing is, let me stop. Let me share the screen and show you entire window. Okay. Then let's share it. Hope everybody are able to see the screen. Now let me start with the folder. Go here. Okay. Like suppose the basket. Okay, this is the folder you have to create. Now let me open one more folder. Okay, folder, right. Okay, now these two are there. This one and this one. Okay, this one. Okay, okay, this one like this. Okay, and other one like this. Okay, now what happens? Bhaskar is there. Right? Today let us create. Let me minimize this. Okay. Next. Okay. Today in the Bhaskar folder, let me create today's folder. Okay. Now today's folder. What is it? 1303 and 2025. Okay. 1303 version 1 again. Okay. Today's date version 1. Okay, version. This one. Now from the other folder we can do like this. Okay, here, one minute. Here cmd. Okay, can continue like uh, npx create hyphen react app and app name my app can give like this and hit enter, or else the what in if you are continuing with the yesterday's one, go here and the whole folder, right? Today's folder is that folder basket. Okay, go here. Yesterday what was the date? 12/3. Okay, now take here is an example version 1 we built. Okay, copy this. Okay, control c. Now I'll paste in version today's date one. Okay, control. Okay. So, okay. No need to run the npx command like that, and we can continue with your details. I'll show you what it is. Okay, and I'll explain the file structure also. Maybe directly who are watching today's video without watching yesterday's video. Also, I'll give some about the code things, and I'll continue with the today's tabular display of using Bootstrap, how we can use a tabular display and some CRUD buttons like edit delete buttons like that you can update in this code. And we can take multiple examples what is the tables or let it copy. Meanwhile, I'll deal with some of the topics like HTML. See what is this MDN. Okay, MD. Okay, now HTML. Okay, it tells HTML. See what for we can use tables. Okay, this is what is a table. Okay, it is like it is a table structure setup data. A table is a structure setup data made up of rows and columns. Okay, table or data. Here what we have heading is person and age, and the person names these are, and these are the age is their ages. Okay, now in the same way we can use the tabular for displaying calendar also. The calendar. Okay, anybody Google Calendar or something will check. No, like that the holidays in a year that you can, that can be these same things when we can be used this code only used, and that what they created such applications so that we can see you can use it like that. Okay, this is and this what US document how it's converted. See now how does a table work? Okay, that point of table is that rigid information is easily interpreted by making visual association between row and column. Okay, we have row and column. There is a the visual means the what we can see. Okay, that is visual. That's what we can make. This is a Jovian gas giant with 62 moons. This example, what the pictorial they are represent, no, it deals with 62 moon giant, like gas giant system. Okay, the galaxy system. Okay, now this is what the NASA information now stored as a document. See, terrestrial planets and we are Jovian planets, GAS, gas giants and ice giants. Okay, the Jupiter and Saturn, and Uranus and Neptune, where the more cold is there and more it is like that. Okay, dwarf planets. Okay, dwarf planets means smaller, they're like that. Okay, like terrestrial planets means Mercury, Venus, and Earth, and Mars. Okay, these are tables and their mass, diameter, density. Okay, gravity. This you know what is the measure units. Okay, kg per meter cube. The density. Like this can be presented. All such things can be presented. Okay, any information like this can be presented. We'll deal with a small operation. Okay, then notes. What are the we can have some comments like that. What it is this? Okay, actually notes. Okay, number of moves like this. Okay, we can have like this. This is what on the table of, and again what he says, table styling also can be done. Okay, when we should not use table styling, use HTML tables. See, page layout and accessibility learning model. Okay, we can find more details of an example at page layout. This is an example commonly used CSS support the browser. Let us click and check what is this. Okay, yes, see. Now see, table layout, how it is. The table we have width. You can have normally 100% will be width, and we can have this heading and header like this. Okay, menu navigation. Then we can have our team project and header like this. Okay, this can be table. Okay, let me check whether my folder is created now. So when I show you in example, you'll understand better. Okay, 13. Today is 13, right? Version 1. We copied. Okay. Now we have to go to CMD. This folder, CMD. Okay. Now npm start. npm start. Okay. Now let me first open this code. The code window. Code dot. Okay. So let me zoom it if you have a problem. Okay. Control plus. Okay. So, okay. Now code dot. That is we had to open. Okay. VS code. Right. Accept. Okay. Now what happens here? This one, right? Code. Okay. Now npm start. npm start. npm start. Is loading here. Okay. Now we are loading the application. Okay. In the localhost 3000. This is a port. Okay. And localhost port for React application like 3000 to 3001 to if 3000 is already busy. Okay. You can use 3001 like that. Okay. Now other thing what I was explaining is HTML tables, right? Here. Okay. This one. Okay. This you can have basic color or Bootstrap will automatically provide the CSS in our case. Since we are dealing with the Bootstrap, this is a template. Okay. We can deal with many items like different items also there. Okay. I'll give examples. Okay. Let it be say the example using attributes. Okay. Like let this okay. Yeah. Let us go here. Okay. See, different. This is a first. Okay. Now, see, name, ID, member since, balance. Okay. Market is advert. This is the members. Okay. How when since then where since when they are membership this one. Okay. Like this. You have the columns we can use. All these things we can use the scope. Okay. This is what. Okay. This is a normal basic table, HTML tables. I'm explaining. Okay, let me show the see this one. Still more display means can have formatted. Let us check formatted display. See, it is colored and display status of club membership in 2021. Okay, this is called rows pane. Okay, this is columns pane. Okay, and we have this constant row span. Okay, now this one what is generate and like this balance. Okay, this what next we can let our application loaded. This what yesterday up to this we let that. Okay, now here search is there, this search is there, drop down is there. We are in the drop down we have login, log out, register and log out. This is not created yet. This is show no nothing is clickable. Just we are created a menu like this. Okay? This is display of fruits like usually in a listy format, order list. Okay, this one. Now we take instead of taking fruit, this is a fruit example. Okay, we can have other things also. Let's deal with this code. Okay, I'll explain the code also here. Now yesterday the main important is public index HTML. Okay, this is the public index HTML. Okay, now let me minimize the public HTML. I removed already all comments. Okay, let us make this a now second application. Yes, second application so that our okay. See, or in our application, the title change. See here, okay, second application. Okay, now, or we can make a second application lesson 2. Okay, lesson 2. Okay, lesson 2. Okay, like this. Lesson. This is next. Here, same lesson. Okay, this one. Now we have this one done, right? This is not nothing. Okay, this is the main we deal with. This is called single page application. The React components, all components clubbed together, and depending upon the content, they will be developed with this div. This root as a this how it is selected. I shown you already in the index.js, right? Index.js. We have this document gateway availability. This is a DOM interaction. We do this and we'll get it away, and we'll enclose in this strict the HTML, this React component node. Okay, the custom component node. And this is a component. This is a custom component app. This is comes from okay, so Control Z. Okay, this component comes from the app.js. This is the component actually. This is where we dealt with the the this all navbar and the listing all we created. Okay, now this the map. Okay, this until then this if you are not go back to the this lesson one video, you will understand how this one the main way created. Now let us other profiles, but in the quickly I'll tell other files. Okay, this this logo is SVG or this logo when the React is loading, this will be animated logo will be loading. Okay, we are since we are removed complete code from app.js, we are not getting that logo. And how to load that logo? We have commented the code above. See that this is what the first line. Okay, that is the code. That's how we have to import that logo and we have to display the code. Okay, now the other things, the report in the index.js, we have the files like index.css. We already this CSS. Okay, and app. Okay, this since all these files are in the same folder, so we have to load with import like this. Import app dot slash app like this. Okay? Like here also index like this. Okay? This React DOM and these are libraries. Okay, this in built by React people, the Facebook. And this, if you get any error with this, you can comment line number 17 and line number 5. If you are getting any error with report avoid. If not getting, if you other method, you can install this, install npm install and report avoid. That error will be gone. Okay, it will be avoided from showing. Next, we'll deal with now the thing is app.js. Okay, now from menu, let us keep menu. We'll change this table. Okay, now we'll change this table. Okay, let us have body. This what is happening? This padding 3. Let us padding top will be only top. Okay, TV. Okay, it should be only padding top. No other padding. Padding normally that requires all tabs. See, now it came aligned them. Okay, if only padding top is there from here to here, that's right. Okay, now if you, what happens if you use only p, it will apply in the all four sides from left to until right and down, bottom, top, bottom also. Okay, now it is, now let us go for some tabular data. Okay, now we'll take from here. I think here we have, let us take close. Let's take this. Not sure how much is correct. And not cross verified. Okay, control Z. Okay, this is not go. Okay, let's go. Alright, we'll take the other example. Let me check. Control C if it works. Or else we'll take some other example. Control Z. Paste without permitting. Paste. Paste, where is paste? Paste. Yeah, paste. Paste. Okay, no, it is not coming. Okay, let us take now other example. Okay, let us take example from HTML. Here we are, very here, right? Okay, take no, here we take. And now, we take this is this we can take. Let us take this example where it is. I love different things. Let us take this. Okay, club members or something. Can edit this. Let me check what is this. Okay, this what is. But in our bootstrap it will display different. Now take this Control E, Control C. Now go to our example. Here let us paste. Okay, now let us align this. Align this. This one. Align this. First. Control dash save and do it. Control E. Control E. Control E. Save it. Do formatted selection. The code. Okay, now align everything. Okay, now let us check our output how it is displayed. Okay. Now let us check our output how it is. Okay, where is our application? Here. Okay. Now we have this, right? Let us like what is our bootstraps? Yes, yes, go here. Now bootstrap, let us open bootstrap. Bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap. Okay, now bootstrap, go here. I can take from here also example. Okay, like bootstrap. Okay, table. Okay, table. Table CSV. Now we have this, right? Now let us see what is the table. Use the table class. Okay, this table class table. Class table. Or else we can copy this and we can edit. Let us edit this one. Okay. That also you can do, but let us deal with this one so that easy. You understand this after building this advanced. Okay. Now let me this take this. Okay. Take where is table? Okay, sorry. Go from me. Table. Linear this. Control V. Okay. This control E. Control S. Tabular. For this selection. The right here. The extension. Okay. Control L. Control S. Okay. Now let us check our output. This is, yeah, we got this. Okay. This is a proper list of. Okay. We will change it. Okay. Last. This is what first, last, and okay, this is okay. We can have first name, last name, the person. We can have the instead of fruits. We can have modify that also. We can do. Now let us change. Now change it to during the example. We can now the person's data. Persons in list of persons or employees next to employees in our store. Employees in our store. Let me make implies in store. Or we can make implies in our food store also. We can make okay, in our food store. Food store. Hmm. Now first name is there. Let it be more clear. The first name, last name, sorry, last name, and then this is a Twitter handle or something, or Facebook handle. Okay, we have one, two, three, and let us have action there. Okay, now one more thing. Let us take adding action. The button, okay, action. Control V, control action. Okay, okay, let us see now what happened. Last name, first name. You can tell my name. You can change this to boss. 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 Here and again the other person on the anil. Okay. Okay, we can now this is last name Reddy. Okay, Reddy. Okay, we can have the like AC Bhaskar one. That is detail. Now in the row two we have anil or MTD Nitin. MTD Nitin. Nitin. Okay, Nitin. Can is name introducing Nathan, so Nathan Raw. Okay, and his let us assume is Nathan MTD. MTD is the handle. And other okay, we can have other thing. Okay, comes. Okay, Larry. Okay, here what happens? The Larry comes to here. Here what happens? No, let us take ELC. And no raw here. This will do columns. So columns. We'll make entity with yes. So here we make like Stanley. Okay, is my one of the previous standard. Okay, Stanley. Okay, Stanley. Joe. Joe. Stanley Joe. Okay, here we'll enter the Joe. Joe. Here is Twitter. Here or here. Here Matthew. 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 Empty. This now let us check the output. What is this place? Okay. See, this empty identity has occupied two column values. Okay, this is a big value. See, okay, this is the end. Now action we are not added. Let us now let us make that. Okay, now action. Okay, for action, we have action we have one more TD we have. Okay, in the TD we'll have Control C, Control V. Okay, here we'll have the action. Okay, here we'll have button. Button. Here class name class name equal to btn btn like primary primary. Now here they are edit. In a similar way, we have one more button. Here button spelling mistake. Button. Here also button spelling mistake. Okay, now we'll have other button. Okay, since you want to have in the same row, next let us separate us. We control Z. Okay, separate. Okay, now we'll have here button danger. Okay, danger. Okay, for red, this is for delete. Now the same we can copy for all records. This is what I want to show you. Okay. Now if you copy all this, control S, let me check for first row it is coming perfectly or not. Okay, coming perfectly. Okay, now let us have the same. This is this now. Oh shit. Control Z. Okay, with the whole TD. Because every record has to be edited in our CRUD operation. So this is just display. Don't worry. The further application will detail. And now control. Okay, this one. Now in a similar way, we have for with three records. So this one. Control F. Do now. See now we have all edit delete. This is what the display I wanted to show. Now action. And there you can like other table changes also we can do. Now this is looking good, right? The list of employees in our fruit store. Okay, welcome to fruit shop. This is our first name, last name, and end. Okay. Now you can apply other things like what is our as per bootstrap the table, right? You can have the classes, different classes are there for table. See the table class, the default one we have seen. Now if I apply the secondary or it is the class. Okay, the class. Okay, later the second interesting the class that is this step. Okay, class secondary. How to let us check how to apply that first. He is saying secondary, but how to apply is important, right? Okay, how do this here, sir? Have to apply like this table secondary. Okay, table secondary. Control C. Now we see this table, table secondary. First you have to call table class. After that you have to call table with hyphen table secondary. Now see the output will change, color changes. See color change. Okay. Now in the same way you can use the other. Like let me show you the okay, this one. Now what is the other class? See point something. The warning is mentioned already. Light. Can you? The light. Okay. Now see if I make light, what happens? Color little light. 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 See. Just light. Okay. Light. I think we can have alternative also. Okay. Light. Light. What is the alternative? While displaying dynamically, we can make that alternative colors. It one. Okay. The row wise. Okay. Can use table TD. Okay. Now, if I apply only one row this class, the table primary for the TD. Okay. Now see this. Let me upload the table row. Suppose if I alter this class, let me take this class. Okay, because total class. Control S. Okay, you're not changing this class name. You have to change class 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 name. Here, okay, this one. Now, let us apply to row. Okay, which row? This row. Heading. Okay, class. Okay, class name. Change. Yes, sir. Class name. Now, table. Now, check what happened. See, we are heading different. Okay, this is how we can apply. This is what I wanted to teach. See, now it is looking good. Okay, we can have this like such things. Okay, if you want to change, like suppose if you want to change the second column row color also, you can change. And if you want to change the column also, I think you can do, right? Like now want to change the column color, right? But you have to add to each table, and you can this if you add this table, the color is okay for us. Now let us add this class also. What happens you see? See now this class strip requires the table strip, and what color is okay. Now let table light, and we have table strip. Okay, control. Now see what happens. The color. Let us check. Yes, see color change. A light color on this. And this is how we can achieve. And this can be made clickable. So all these things. Okay. So bootstrap. Just have a pricing or bootstrap. Instantly job. Is it clear? I think I suppose it was okay to understand. Okay, this is the code we change. Code we change the table class we copied. We upload the class. So you can upload. Here columns and also you use columns and like these two columns. And you can apply row span also if you want. The column span means it will combine two columns. The row span means it will combine two rows. This is the presentation I wanted to show. Okay, you can add any number of records like this. Okay, copy, duplicate, and if you use the generate some more column. Wait, can let us see everything. Can let me change. And now, suppose we can use Gemini to generate. Wait, let me change. Can I generate some more rows? Okay, can I generate some more rows? Can I generate? See, okay, go here, go to large application, go to ChatGPT. Okay, to see that. Okay, now Control V, generate some 10 rows, some 10 rows. Can you generate? Can you generate? Can you generate? 10 almost similar to this. Generated. See, now just copy, paste, copy this, paste. Okay, to this. That's it. Any problem? Let's check what is the output. It's generated. See, now it looks correct. Yeah, that's what it is. See? Yeah, like yeah, around 13 rows. See? Now, Z, Control C, Control Y. Yes. Now, here, it is in first we have to add our records. Since we do more record, yeah, the body section. Okay, T body is okay, always our data will be in the T body. Okay, rest is tag end. Okay, this is TH, THR and TN, and other things are the TS for use. Okay, this is the scope that is. This is the bottom. This now see how okay, there are 30 rows. Clear? So, okay, let me check. Control minus. Okay. Now let's okay, let me have this screenshot. Let me close. Let me take this screenshot. So I want to present today. Okay, clear. Thanks. I'm disconnecting the video and in the streams.